Hi there, this is biodegradable soft plastic fishing baits. First, we start with 10 ml of gelatin powder with a little bit of corn flour mixed in. To this, we add 30 ml of water. We want to microwave this for 10 seconds 3 times, stirring in between and making sure it doesn't overflow. Next, we add some food colouring, in this case red. Now it's time to prepare the moulds. First, we add some oil to act as a mould release. Then we apply some Vaseline to the surfaces that will be facing each other. Make sure that the moulds are securely attached to each other. Next, we crush up some barley to add in. Next, we can grease the syringe so that it moves freely. Then we can draw up the solution that we've made. After letting them cool for a while, we can separate. Ideally, we want to let this dry for an additional 24 hours. This will allow for it to be tougher and last longer as a fishing bait. These dried pieces can be stored in a fish oil of your choice for easy storage and as an additional scent.